How to support rubber plant stems. If the stems of your plant is leaning, this is how you fix it. You take the bamboo stick, you cut it on the sharp angle, you insert it in the soil as deep as possible behind the leaning stem. Then you gently grab the stem, you straighten it up, and you secure the stem to the bamboo stick either with raffia or soft garden tape. You have to do it in a few places just to keep the stem as straight as possible. And I'll do it in the 3 spots here. The other spot would be here. Avoid using any wires because wire may damage the stem as the plant grows. And the last spot would be right here. This grass is looking great. And now all I have to do is just to cut the top of the bamboo stick and we are done. Still have a question about how to support rubber plant stems? Let me know in the comments.